Whether you do multiple tasks in your home or while on the move, iPad Pro can be a great tool with a multitude of use, and it's perfect for you if you want to increase productivity efficiently. However, to really get the most from this handsome device, you'll want to get your hands on some of the latest and most fabulous accessories. Well, in today's video, we will show you the must-have iPad Pro accessories that you can have to use your iPad Pro to its full potential. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. After owning an iPad Pro, the first thing you need is a case. But who wants to put a scratch on the shiny device? No one, right? Then what could be better than Apple's own smart iPad cover? This case is made from a single piece of polyurethane and is designed to protect your iPad Pro from various impact. When you open the lid, it automatically wakes your iPad Pro and put it to sleep when closed. You can create a stand for reading, viewing, typing, or making FaceTime calls, as this accessory allows you to fold it into different positions easily. Now you can also be more productive while ensuring protection for your iPad Pro with the Smart Keyboard Folio from Apple. It's specially built for iPad Pro and iPad Air and works with a Folio cover. But it has a premium-looking, comfortable keyboard. With 2 convenient viewing angles and no charging or pair required, it's small, it's simple. Just attach the keyboard with your iPad Pro and start typing. The most interesting part is, both of these accessories come in 2 different sizes, including 11-inch and 12.9-inch, so you can choose any one of them wisely. As the new iPad Pro features a new Liquid Retina display, better graphics, max brightness, and a powerful processor, so it can run out of battery faster than before when you're using it as a workstation. So having a power bank can be your ultimate solution while on the move, and we have got the RP-PB058 from RAVPOWER. This gear is equipped with a 26,800 mAh battery, 4 ports with both input and output options, where you can power up your iPad Pro more than 3 times. Plus, you can simultaneously give some juice to all your toys in no time, making it a perfect gear while you're away from the outlet. Want to use your iPad Pro as a workstation to get its full potential, but can't attach multiple accessories? Then you definitely need the SATECHI Mobile Pro Hub. It has a USB-C port that allows you to conveniently access peripheral devices wherever life may take you. Also, it has 4 different ports, together with a 3.5mm jack, an HDMI, a USB-A, and a USB-C port. So you can pair all your devices to your iPad Pro without any additional software. Its surprisingly compact design packs a punch with a brilliant 4K display and up to 60Hz refresh rate for seamless productive works like video editing, graphic design, and more. Alright, now keep your iPad Pro's glossy display as shiny as new with the Paperlike screen protector. In addition to protecting your screen, this smart invention has the feel of standard writing paper. It's also anti-glare, won't interfere with Face ID, and provides an anti-skid surface for styluses as you draw or write. It comes with an air exhausting adhesive, making the PET film automatically attach to your iPad screen smoothly, hassle-free, and bubble-free. If you're a graphic designer or a video editor, make your mobile works lightweight, relaxed, and comfortable with the MOFT Float. It's an innovative stand plus case for your iPad Pro. Its innovative and patented double hinge structure with a slim built-in stand elevates the screen to a suitable height for comfortable viewing no matter where you are. This stand offers 3 modes: floating mode, stable mode, and portrait mode. So make your iPad Pro stand when you need it and as you like it. weighing up to 17 ounces, the Float 2-in-1 is made from light and solid aluminum alloy, offering a smooth and flexible carrying experience. The optional magnetic lid goes beyond protecting your Apple Pencil too and helps to easily attach to iPad Pro or through MOFT Float stand plus case for charging and pairing. The iPad Pro is an invaluable aid for artists and note-takers, but to get the most out of it, you need to have an Apple Pencil that gets blended with your device seamlessly to get the most out of it. It delivers pixel-perfect precision and industry-leading low latency, making it great for drawing, sketching, coloring, taking notes, and many more while keeping it natural and straightforward to use as a pencil. The Apple Pencil also allows you to change tools without setting it down thanks to its intuitive touch surface that supports double tapping, and for seamless integration, it attaches magnetically to your iPad Pro. Got your iPad Pro and the pencil? Now let's talk about music, because why not? Some music would be great while you create your masterpiece. For music, you can definitely go for the Airpods Pro. It has been designed to deliver active noise cancellation for immersive sound. It also has a transparency mode to hear your surrounding and get a customizable fit for all-day comfort. Just like the Apple Pencil, Airpods Pro also connect magically to your iPad Pro, and they are ready to use right out of the case. So that was all about the must-have iPad Pro accessories just for you. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.